Hello students, today we will study about the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system or the PNS comprises of the nerves that connects the central nervous system comprising the brain and the spinal cord with different parts of the body. It consists of sensory, motor and mixed nerves. Now children, we have already studied about these nerves. These nerves are made up of nerve fibers known as neurons. The sensory neurons detect various sensations such as pain, heat, etc. and transmit these sensations towards the central nervous system, that is the brain or the spinal cord. And the motor neurons stimulate the effectors that can be our sense organs like skin or the muscles or any effector organ to perform a function. The motor neurons transmit the impulses away from the central nervous system, that means away from the brain or the spinal cord. We have also studied about the mixed neurons. Mixed neurons consist of both sensory and motor neurons. Now these fibers of motor and sensory neurons are bundled together into nerves which are of two types. The first type is the cranial nerves. These nerves are connected directly to the brain. These are about 12 pair of nerves which emerge from the brain. The next type of nerves are spinal nerves. The spinal nerves are connected to the spinal cord, and these are about 31 pair of nerves branching from the spinal cord. These nerves form the basis of the peripheral nervous system. So children, this was all about your nervous system. Let us take a very quick revision. The nervous system is divided into two main systems. The central nervous system, also known as the CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, also known as the PNS. The spinal cord and brain make up the central nervous system. Its main job is to get the information from the body and send out the instructions in response to the information. The peripheral nervous system is made up of all the nerves which transmit the messages from central nervous system to different parts of the body. This means that the peripheral nervous system connects the central nervous system to sensory organs such as the eyes, ear, skin, etc. and also to other parts of the body such as muscles, blood vessels, glands, etc.